What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. This is episode 2 of our Making a Clicker game series, and in this video we're going to be making our game look a lot better, animating a shop, and making particle systems, and more. So make sure to watch the entire video.
So first, you're going to make sure to save this file as a copy. Alright, now that we've done that, as you can see, when we open the shop, it's really snappy, and we don't want that feel. So I'm going to go into the shop sprite, and then as you can see, the glide. We're going to change x position by 0 minus x position divided by 4. And then we're going to duplicate this and set this to 119. So now that we've done that, as you can see, the shop will smooth in and out. So we can go to updates. We're going to forever. We're going to change the x by item of item block, which is in the sensing. And we're going to set that to x position of shop. And then we can drag that, go to x and y there. So that's done, and now we don't need the show and hide block anymore, so we can remove that. I'm going to forever show, and now that you can see it moves along with it, so I'm going to copy the code over to the other shop icon, but now you can see they're still stuck on the screen. That's because of Scratch's fencing. So I'm going to just set ghost effect to the X position, and as you can see, that works really well now. Right, now if you notice, once we click it, it seems really boring and not that smooth, so we can repeat until not mouse down, change size by 75 minus size divided by 4. The same type of script as we did for the shop, and as you can see, once we click it, it seems really bouncy. So this script is target minus current value divided by smoothing. Alright, so now we're going to create a block, create clones, run without screen refresh, make sure to do that. I'm going to put that in when if mouse down. We're going to repeat money, and then we're just going to create clone. Alright, now we're going to create a new variable called xv for this sprite only and yv for this sprite only. Alright, cool. Now we can set xv to random 9 to 9, and then duplicate that and set y velocity to 5 to 15. Alright, we're going to set brightness to randomize the brightness, and we're going to set size to 40. Alright, now we're going to make sure to go to the back layer, and then we're going to repeat 30 times, change x and y by x velocity and y velocity. We're going to change y velocity by negative 0.7, and then we're going to go and set x velocity to x velocity multiplied by 0.99. Then we're going to set change ghost effect by 4, and then we're going to delete this clone. So also make sure to change repeat money to money per click, and as you can see, every time we click, the amount of money that we earn is made into particles. Very cool. But now we have these boring Scratch variables. So we're going to create a new sprite, and then we're going to call this text engine. Make sure to hide it. And in each costume, I'm just going to use the Scratch text and type out one number. I'm going to start from the number 1, and then make sure you call this custom number 1, and then we're going to make number 2. Also, when we call number 2, as you can see, and then we're going to do this for all of the numbers from 1 to 9, and then ending in 0. And once you do 0, make sure to name it to 0 and not 10. And then we're going to create one last one. We're going to call this plus, because we're going to put a plus in there. Alright, now we're going to make a block. We're going to call this draw text, and then we're going to put text at position and x and y. Make sure it's run without screen refresh. Alright, so this block will draw text at position, so we're going to create a new variable called y. And then we're going to go to x and y, and then we're going to set I to 1. And then we're going to repeat length of text. So I is an iterator. So the current letter that we're on is I. So each time we want to change I by 1. And then we want to switch costume to letter I of text. Alright, and then we want to stamp with that position. And then we want to change X by 19. So this is a very simple text engine. Just flat click forever. We're going to erase all. And then we're going to draw text money at position 0, 100, just a test. And as you can see, our money is drawn in the middle of the screen. Alright, we're going to hide all of those basic Scratch for variable displays, and we're going to move this counter until it's in the top left corner. And as you can see, our game is looking way better. Alright, now we're going to create another variable. We're going to call this variable old money. So This time we're gonna track how much money is made during this one tick. So forever, if money is bigger than old money, so if we gain money, this time we're gonna create a clone of ourselves. And then after that, we're gonna set old money to money. So now we're gonna do the clone implementation. So when I start as clone, we're gonna repeat 20 times. We're gonna go to -224, -160. Make sure that's outside of the repeat. And then every time we're gonna change y by 6. Alright. And then we want to change ghost by 5 each frame. And then we want to create a new variable called myText to hold the text that we're gonna draw. And then we're gonna set myText to money minus old money. Alright. Now we're gonna draw the text, myText, and then we're gonna draw that at -224 and Y position. Alright, so as you can see, every time we click, the amount of money we earn is in the bottom left corner. So we're gonna go ahead, add one more thing, we're gonna join plus to money minus old money. Now every time you see you get +3 money. So I'm gonna go buy the upgrade, and now as you can see, we earn $4. I also forgot in last episode to implement change money per second, so we're just going to change money by money per second and wait 1 second in a for loop, so that should do the trick. As you can see, we're gaining $1 every second. Alright, thank you everybody for watching this episode. Next episode we're going to add more shop items, and we're going to make achievements and make this game way more interesting. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.